Benefits and side effects of ashwagandha. What you need to know. 1. What is ashwagandha and its traditional uses? Ashwagandha, also known as Withania somnifera or Indian ginseng, is an ancient medicinal herb widely respected in Ayurveda for over 3,000 years. Traditionally, it is classified as a rasayana, meaning it promotes longevity, vitality, and rejuvenation. Ashwagandha roots and leaves have been used to help the body adapt to stress, boost energy, and support mental clarity. Its name translates to smell of the horse, symbolizing strength and vigor. This herb is often consumed in powder, capsule, or extract form, and it is gaining popularity worldwide as a natural supplement for overall health. Modern research is increasingly validating many of these traditional uses, leading to growing interest in its versatile applications. 2. Stress reduction and anxiety relief. One of the most well-known benefits of ashwagandha is its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. Clinical studies show that it lowers cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone, helping to calm the nervous system and promote relaxation. Ashwagandha acts as an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body resist and adapt to physical and mental stressors. Many people report feeling calmer and more balanced after consistent use. This effect is particularly beneficial for those facing chronic stress, anxiety disorders, or burnout. It promotes relaxation without causing sedation or impairment, making it a safe alternative to many prescription drugs. 3. Enhancing cognitive function and memory. Ashwagandha supports brain health by improving memory, focus, and cognitive function. Research indicates it has neuroprotective effects, meaning it may protect nerve cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. Some studies suggest it helps stimulate the growth of nerve cells and improve communication between brain cells, which can enhance learning and mental clarity. This makes ashwagandha a promising supplement for those looking to boost productivity, fight brain fog, or slow cognitive decline due to aging or neurodegenerative conditions. Its calming effects on the nervous system also reduce mental fatigue, helping maintain sustained concentration throughout the day. 4. Boosting energy, stamina, and physical performance. Ashwagandha is popular among athletes and fitness enthusiasts for its ability to improve endurance and physical performance. It helps increase muscle strength and oxygen usage during exercise, potentially enhancing stamina and recovery. By reducing fatigue and balancing stress hormones, ashwagandha supports sustained energy levels throughout the day. Several studies show that regular supplementation can lead to significant improvements in exercise capacity, muscle recovery, and overall vitality. It also helps reduce exercise-induced muscle damage and inflammation, enabling quicker recovery between sessions. 5. Supporting immune system function. Ashwagandha contains bioactive compounds like withanolides that have immunomodulatory effects, meaning they help regulate and strengthen the immune system. It can increase the activity of natural killer cells and improve resistance to infections. This makes ashwagandha valuable for those seeking to enhance their immune defenses, particularly during cold and flu season or periods of high stress that can weaken immunity. Its antioxidant properties also help protect the body from free radical damage, which contributes to cellular aging and chronic disease. Some preliminary studies suggest ashwagandha may also reduce markers of inflammation, further supporting immune health. 6. Balancing hormones and enhancing fertility. For both men and women, ashwagandha may promote hormonal balance and reproductive health. In men, it has been shown to increase testosterone levels, improve sperm quality, and boost fertility. For women, it can help regulate thyroid function and reduce symptoms related to hormonal imbalances, such as menstrual irregularities or menopause-related issues. These hormone balancing effects are linked to its stress-reducing properties, as chronic stress often disrupts endocrine function. 7. Managing blood sugar and heart health. Ashwagandha may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing fasting glucose. This can be beneficial for people with diabetes or metabolic syndrome. Additionally, it supports cardiovascular health by lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels, reducing inflammation, and helping to manage blood pressure. These effects contribute to better heart function and reduced risk of chronic disease. Regular use of ashwagandha may also improve circulation and reduce oxidative stress in blood vessels, which helps maintain vascular elasticity and overall cardiovascular wellness.
Ashwagandha is also known as Indian ginseng. It has been used for millennia in the traditional healing system of India called Ayurveda. It's been used for over 3,000 years. It's classified as an adaptogen. Adaptogens are compounds that are thought to help your body adapt to stress.
8. Potential side effects and who should be cautious. While ashwagandha is generally considered safe for most people when taken in recommended doses, it can cause side effects in some cases. Common mild side effects include stomach upset, diarrhea, and nausea, especially if taken on an empty stomach or in high doses. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid ashwagandha as it may cause uterine contractions. People with autoimmune diseases, thyroid disorders, or on certain medications should consult a healthcare provider before use. Allergic reactions, though rare, are also possible.
How much would you pay for an anti-cancer, anti-stress, happiness-inducing natural product?
Very renowned as a sexual tonic.
9. How to choose and use ashwagandha. Safely to get the best benefits, choose high-quality ashwagandha supplements from reputable brands that standardize with analyte content, usually 5 to 10%. Powdered root extracts, capsules, and tinctures are common forms. Start with a low dose, around 300 milligrams per day, and gradually increase as tolerated. Taking it with meals can reduce stomach discomfort. Consistency is key. Most benefits appear after several weeks of daily use. Always follow product instructions and consult a healthcare professional if unsure.
It is an anxiolytic, so it reduces anxieties.
It increases the immunity of a person.
It also is a muscle relaxer.
10. Combining ashwagandha with a healthy lifestyle. Ashwagandha works best when combined with other healthy habits. Managing stress through mindfulness, exercise, and adequate sleep enhances its calming effects. A balanced diet rich in antioxidants supports immune benefits. Staying hydrated and avoiding excessive caffeine or alcohol helps the herb work more effectively. Remember, supplements are not a substitute for medical treatment, but when used wisely, ashwagandha can be a powerful ally in improving your overall health, resilience, and well-being. Pairing ashwagandha with a holistic approach maximizes its potential for lasting positive impact. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more natural health insights and wellness tips. Share your questions and experiences with ashwagandha in the comments. We love hearing from you.